Hello everyone. Today I'm making an Okura Misoshiru, which is Okura miso soup. First, I'm going to massage okra using salt. I'm using a very fresh okra today that I got from farmer, and okra has a very tiny fiber around it, and using salt you can take them out. And these tiny fibers around the okra will make your finger itch. Then I'm gonna boil the okra for 30 seconds or so in boiled water with the salt. And this salt will make the color of okra very green. And after 30 seconds, I put them into iced water from stop from cooking further. Now I'm going to make a dashi stock using a dashi stock powder. And this dashi stock powder is additive free. Now okra is ready and nice and cold, and take out any excess water, and I'm gonna cut into slices. And you can add this sliced okra into like natto. Natto is a fermented soybeans, or you can simply add soy sauce into sliced okra and mix it well, and you can eat them as well. Okra is very popular vegetables in Japan. I am going to put kinugoshi tofu, which is soft tofu, into miso soup. And we have hard tofu and soft tofu. And I'm going to use a soft tofu today. And you can use either soft or hard tofu. It takes only 2-3 minutes for the stock to be ready. And I'm gonna take out the stock powder. And first, I'm gonna put tofu. We have different types of miso, but today I'm using Saikyo Shiro Miso, which is a white miso from Kyoto. This Shiro Miso is sweeter than other miso. I take out some of the dashi stock into bowl and then mix the miso into it. And I mix it well. You can put miso directly into the frying pan, but by doing this way, you can make sure that all the miso is dissolved into dashi. And once you put miso into dashi, you never boil the miso soup because aroma of miso is at its best at 90 degrees. So if you exceed 90 degrees, will reduce the aroma of miso. So it's very important that you do not boil the dashi. Finally, I put okra into miso soup. The okra is already cooked, so I just need to reheat it. And if you heat it up too much, then the beautiful color of okra will disappear. So I just need to heat it up a little bit. And this is almost done. I just need to taste for saltiness. Make sure it's enough miso in it. Now this is ready. So this is a miso soup with okra and tofu using shiro miso. And many soup in the world would taste better for next day, but the miso soup is at its best when it's freshly made. So do not make a miso soup ahead of time, like for the next day's dinner or breakfast. And if you need to do so, just make a dashi soup and add the miso right before you serve the miso soup. And there are so many different types of miso that you can use, and each miso has a different saltness. Some of the salty, some of them not. So try to put miso into separate bowl, like I did, and pour the dissolved miso dashi into the frying pan little by little, and just to make sure that you do not put too much and it becomes very salty. So, thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you make a miso soup if you have access to the miso, and this is very good for your body. Okay? Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.